Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. In today's video, we are going to tell you how to apply for a fully funded SSE MBA scholarship in Sweden. Since it is a fully funded scholarship, therefore it covers the full tuition fee of the students. This is an excellent opportunity for the students to boost their academic and professional career. To be eligible for the scholarship, the applicant must be holding a degree with 180 credit hours and 5 years of work experience in a degree-relevant field is required to apply for the scholarship. And the applicants must have good English communication skills in both writing and speaking. This MBA scholarship covers the full tuition fee of a student and there will be study trips to other countries as well. To apply for a fully funded MBA scholarship in Sweden, click on the link given in the description section of this video. It will take you to this web page. Scroll down to go through all the information related to the scholarship and proceed towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application for this scholarship. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you'll be redirected to this web page. You can scroll down to go through all the details related to this scholarship and then you will see the application form here. To start filling out the form, you need to click on Application. Then you are required to provide your personal information, put your date of birth, first name, last name, home address, the postal code, write down the name of your city, your contact information, email address. If you have a LinkedIn profile, paste the link of the profile here. If you are working somewhere, write the name of the organization and the work title here. In the education section, write down the type of your academic education. If you have done BS in any particular subject, write down the name of it, write down your GPA here, write down the number of years of your work experience, and then select the level of your English language proficiency. Then you have to write an application of minimum 500 characters and maximum 1500 characters where you have to tell that why you should be selected for this scholarship. There is an additional space to write down your application text. After writing it down, you have to click on Submit to submit your application. If your application gets submitted, then you will be contacted in the month of July for the next processes. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.